Dear student, in this video, we are going to convert the given percentage into decimals. So, let us start. 27%. 27%. Now, we know what is the meaning of percent. The meaning of percent is a fraction is equal to 1 over 100. Now, you see that we can write 27 multiply 1 over 100. Clear? Now 27 multiply 1, that is 27, and 100 is in the denominator. Now this is 27 over 100, right? Now I will have to convert this fraction to the decimal. Now because there are 2 0 in the denominator, so I will write the numerator and mark decimal 2 digits counting from the right. So 1, 2, and here I will mark decimal. Before decimal, to show its presence, I will write 0. That is insignificant. So this is my answer. Dear student, this form is called decimal fraction and this is called decimal number. So we have converted this into decimal number. Now you see we are on the second part, that is 8%. What is the meaning of 8%? 8% meaning 8 multiply 1 over 100. Okay, so I will write 8 over 100. So what is this? This is the decimal fraction. Now I will convert this decimal fraction to decimal number. So firstly I will write the numerator and I see how many zeros are there in denominator. There are 2 0 in the denominator. So I will mark decimal counting 2 digits from the right. So this is a 1 digit and there is no second digit, so I will write 0 and make the 2 digits and then mark decimal. Okay, so before decimal I will write a 0 to show its presence. So this is my answer. Now you will see that this is the number in which decimal is already involved. So first of all you will convert this 69.5 to a simple fraction as a decimal fraction. So you see how many digits are there after one decimal. Only one digit is there. So you can write 695 over 10. Okay. Now the meaning of 69.5 is 695 over 10. This is a decimal number and I have converted this to decimal fraction. Now you see 69.5% can be written as 695 over 10%, right? Because the question was this. Now what is the meaning of percentage? The meaning of percentage is a fraction with numerator 1 and denominator 100. So 695 multiply with 1. So it implies 695 and 10 multiply 100, that is 1000. Okay student. Now you see that how many zeros are there in the denominator? There are 3 zeros. So I will mark decimal counting 3 digits from the right. So 5, 9, 6. Now how many digits are there? 3 digits, and I will mark now decimal. Okay, and before decimal I will show the 0. That is insignificant. So in this way I have converted this number to the decimal. Now you see this is 3.68. As we know that 3.68 is equal to 368 over 100 because there are 2 digits after decimal. Okay, so this can be written as 368 over 100%, right? Now you see this is the 368 over 100, and what is the meaning of percent? That is 1 over 100, right? Now you see numerator will multiply numerator and denominator is multiplied with denominator. So when 100 is multiplied 100, then I get 10,000. Now this is the decimal fraction. Now 368, and I will mark decimal counting 4 digits from the right. So you see 1 first digit, second digit, third digit, and there is no fourth digit. So I will write 0 and mark decimal here. Okay. So this is my answer. So dear student, in this video we have learned that how we can convert the given percentage to the decimals. So if you understand this video and the questions numerical in this video, then please subscribe our channel Think Math, Think Different, Zara Hatke. Now dear student, in this video we are going to learn that how we will convert a fraction to the percentage. Okay, so let us see some questions. Here you see that this is 1 by 2. Now 1 by 2, this is a fraction, and I will have to convert this into percent. So whenever you have to convert any number or a fraction to percent, then you will multiply with 100 and write the percentage symbol. Now you see 1 by 2 can be written as 1 by 2 multiply 1, right? Because if you multiply any number with 1, there is no difference in the value. So I know that 1 is equal to 100%. So I can write in place of 1, 100%. Right? Now 1 multiply 100, that is 100, and denominator is 2%. Now you will cancel 100 by 2. That the answer is 50%. So in this way we can write that the value of fraction 1 by 2 is 50%. So student, in the second question, we will see that 17 by 25. Now 17 by 25 can be written as 17 by 25 multiply 1. Now we know what is the meaning of 1. The meaning of 1 is 100%. Now 17 multiply 100 over 25. Okay. Now 25 will cancel 100. At which place? Fourth place. Now 17 multiply 4%, that is equal to 68%. Now we shall go for the third question, and the third question is 3 by 8. Now 3 by 8 can be written as 3 by 8 multiply 1. So 3 by 8, what is the meaning of 1? That is 100%. Right? Now 3 multiply 100 over 8, that is percent. Now 100 and 8 both are divisible on the table of 2. So I will write to show the actual calculation this again. Now 8 is divided by 2, that is 4, and 100 is divided by 2, that is 25. Oh sorry, 50. Right? Now 50 and 4 both are divisible again on the table of 2. So 2 2s are 4, and it will divide, you get 25. Now you see 3 multiply 25 over 2%. Right? Now you see 3 multiply 5, 25, that is 75. So 75 over 2%. Right? Now when you divide 75 by 2, you see 75 when divided by 2, that is 37.5%. So the answer is 37.5%. This is the answer. Now we will solve this question. This is a mixed fraction and we can write it 16 multiplied 2 plus 7 over 16, right? 16 multiplied 2, 32, 32 plus 7. So it can be written as 32 plus 7 over 16. It means 39 over 16. So I will have to convert this 39 by 16 to percent. So what I do, I will multiply with 1, that make no difference on multiplication, to 39 by 16. Now 39 over 16 multiply 100% because 1 is equal to 100%. Now 39 multiply 100 over 16. Now 100 and 16 both are divisible on which table? Both are divisible on the table of 2. So if I divide it 2, this is 50, and if I divide 16 by 2, that is 8. Now 50 by 8 both are divisible on the table of 2. So this is 25 and this is 4. Now you see we are left with 39 multiply 25 by 4%. Right, student? Now I will multiply the two numbers 39 and 25. 5 9s are 45, 4, 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 4, 19, and this is 78. So 975 over 4%. Right? Now I will divide 975 by 4. 4 2s are 8, 1, 7. 4 4s are 16, 1 and 5. 4 3s are 12, 3. Now I will write 0 and mark decimal. 7 4s are 28 and 2 is there, and I will again mark 2 0. So 4 5s are 20, minus 20, so it is 0. The remainder is 0. So on dividing I get my answer to 43.75%. So student, I hope you have understand this question. We can see that how we will solve this 14 by 75. Mean 14 by 75 can be written as 14 by 75 multiply 1. Meaning of 1 is 100%. So I can write 14 over 75 multiply 100%. So 100 and 75 both are divisible on the table of 5. So if I divide 100 by 5, then the answer is 20, and if I divide 75 by 5, then the answer is 15. Now again 20 and 15 both are divisible on the table of 5. So when 20 is divided by 5, the answer is 4. When 15 is divided by 5, the answer is 3. Right? Now I am left with 14 multiply 4 over 3. So 14 multiply 4, that is 56, and I have to divide this 56 by 3. Now 3 8s are 24, 2. Now you see I will write 0 and mark decimal here. 3 6 are 18. Now the remainder is again 2. So if I mark 0, then I will again get 20, and 3 6 are 18. Again 2. So you see this is not ending, and the continuing we are getting the remainder 2. So I can write it 56 over 3% can be written as 18.66%. Right? So this is the answer. Now we are on the question 2 by 3. This is the fraction 2 by 3 and I have to convert this into percentage. So 2 by 3 can be written as 2 by 3 multiply 1. Yes. So what is the value of 1? 1 is equal to 100%. So I can write 2 by 3 multiply 100%. Right. Now 2 multiply 100, that is there, and the denominator is 3. Now 200 over 3%. Now 200 will be divided by 3. 6 3s are 18, 2 and 0. 6 3s are 18 and the remainder is 2. Again you will see that if you mark 0, then you will get decimal. Now 6 3s are 18. Again 2. And if you again mark 0, take it here, and 6 3s are 18. So again the remainder is 2, 2 and so on. So I will write this equal to 66.66%. So this is the final answer. So dear student, what you have learned in this video, if you are satisfied with this, then please subscribe our channel and share with the others.